Hello, I'm taking this video to showing you how to adjust the digital controller to set the temperature. Now we are using the Carel brand digital controller, and the method of adjust the digital controller for chiller and freezer is same. First, let's turn on the button, the power, and you will see there is a symbol with flickering. It will be last for 3 minutes. This is the symbol of delayed protection time of compressor, and after 3 minutes, then the symbol will not be flickered. And during this time, I will explain to you for chiller and freezer, we will set a lowest temperature point and a highest temperature point. For example, for the chiller, before packing, we will test the products and set the temperature range. The temperature range is 4 degrees for the chiller. So like this chiller, like this product, this chiller, we will set the temperature. The lowest is 2 degrees and the highest temperature is 6 degrees. So the range is 4 degrees. The most easy way to adjust the temperature is to change the lowest temperature. So when you adjust the lowest temperature, then the highest temperature will also be changed. Just like when we adjust the lowest temperature 2 degrees to be 4, so the highest temperature will also be changed to be 8 degrees because the temperature range is 4 degrees confirmed. First, press the SET button for 2 seconds. Okay, when you see a number 2 degrees is flickering, this is the lowest temperature. So when we adjust to be 4 degrees, you can press on the upper button. Keep on pressing it to be 4. This is 4 degrees. And